scallion, green onion, and spring onion? Yes, they are. Scallion and green onion are definitely the same. I think spring onion is the same too.
I love it when a plan comes together.
Me too. Thank you for the blurb. I appreciate you did it. We'll cook this in the same pan that we're cooking the steak in. All right. Now I can't leave my bed. Oh, because of the baby. The little baby. I think Monday morning when we're all off, I'm gonna do some biscuits and bacon and eggs and sausage. Wedged in between my arms. So cute. Actually, you know what? Since these steaks are still a little cold, I'm gonna do the onions first. Hi, Andrew! You got a gifted sub earlier, my friend. How are you? It's good to see you. We made some yummy baked potatoes. We're about to load them up with some stuff. We got some homemade spicy garlic pickles. Pickling. Corn is almost done. We made this yummy cowboy butter herb sauce for our steaks. We're about to cook them up after we cook the onions. I'm gonna have some salad with my dinner because we have salad that needs to be eaten. Even though I had salad for lunch, I have to eat that salad before it turns. Ooh, you know what? Before I put this in there, thank you for thanking Digit for the gifted. Digit is a legend. We're gonna chop, ooh, that's not it, a little bit of the bacon from this morning's breakfast. Whoa! For the potatoes. Crap, I put my knife in this. Why did I do this to myself? Uh-oh. How are you? I'm doing well, thanks. I'm excited for dinner. Purposely waited until you cleaned the knife. I didn't even have to ask because I know you did. That didn't have pistachio. It might have lasted another day. It was a very small loaf. Oh, it sounds so good. Exclamation point menu, Andrew. Menu. Totally bought a wallet. It has a Bejeweled pizza on it. That's amazing. I debated getting myself a pizza pop socket for my phone, and then I was like, I don't need this. I just want it. Karam, thank you for the biddies. I appreciate you. Thank you for the love. All right, Rexes. BB Bubs posted a tweet the other day about backseat cooking on Twitch and how it's annoying, and I was agreeing with him, and I also said to everybody on this thread,
I
if you
smell
come...
bacon. Does anyone else smell bacon?
Yo, When Pigs Fry, how are you? And I was like, also, if you come into my stream and see me cutting my chicken with a pizza cutter, mind your business. Because of the Switch utensil redeem. Cheeseburgers and mac and cheese, nice. What kind of stuff did you have on your burger? Menu could easily be my last meal on earth. So good. How are you, Pigs Fry? Corrupt, thank you for the bits. I'll get you up on the board in just a moment, my friend. Right now, I'm too busy cutting my bacon with scissors because Rexus is a troll. Alright, so we got bacon for our potatoes. I'll now have a clean knife that I don't need. Thank you, Rexus. Plain? Nice. What if you use my teeth? Other people are eating it. Corrupt, thank you so much for those bits. All right. Boom. Snagging the plan, damn you. What else is new? Let's do this. Pigs Fry, how you been? Been frying any pigs lately? Whoa. Had some bacon yesterday morning. Nice. Yum. Alright. Got onions and bacon for our potatoes. This steak is the closest to ready. Applying for jobs. I wish something came up like a job offer, but I'm taking it slow. Oh, Perkins, I'm sorry. Do you have any friends who work at a place that you would want to work that maybe you could see if you can get hired there? I know it's stressful. When we first moved here, finding a job was a struggle for me. I applied a couple places, didn't get interviews. I applied the place that I used to work and then one other place, interviewed at both, and wanted the place that I got. I was offered both jobs. I didn't want the other one though. Irish John! Hello! John's here, everybody! Guys, if you are not following the man, the myth, the legend, Irish John Games, you need to be. Go follow him right now. And when you go to his chat, you have to yell Jern, J-E-R-N, because that's how we say his name. He's a game developer. He streams making his game, Rise of Piracy. You absolutely have to follow him. Jern, I meant to send you a message. I am going to put you in touch with the Raven Armed, who streams a lot of games on Twitch, including playing Sea of Thieves, and he is looking for more pirate-themed games because he does cosplay as Captain Jack Sparrow. And I was in his chat the other night, and he was asking if anybody else knew of any pirate games, and I was like, Me! So I gotta get you connected. I'm gonna get you two connected. You bet, 100%. How are you? I just got ADNI. Yeah, ADNI. Good to see you, Jared. How are ya? How the heck are ya? We're making some steaks. Let's get this first one. Listen to that sizzle! Hell yeah! Boom! Sizzle, sizzle. Alright, couple minutes on each side. I'm gonna check on the corn, because it's probably done. Smells buttery. Just followed your channel. Yes, definitely. I'm not burning it. Gwendolyn, don't laugh at Digit. Oh, that's glorious. Beautiful, bright yellow, that salt and pepper on it with the butter. Perfect. That means they're all good. So we're going to keep those sealed until we're ready to eat. Our potatoes are going to be ready. It's Cornhusker agrees. Thank you. Cheddar and Monster Fighting woke Vanilla up. Oh, well, at least you can get up now. Got our potatoes. Oh, those are nice. About another 30 seconds to a minute there. Got your water? Good. Yeah, taters. Nice crispy skin. And we have sautéed onions, bacon, and I have leftover queso. So there's that. Just in case you wanted that. Winona! Thank you so much! 12-month gift sub from Silo entering month 6. Halfway through, let's go! Winona, how many months total is that for you? It doesn't show me. She's got jokes. Hey! Dang it! Raven's off tonight, but I might stream later on Kick. Oh, I got you. Andrew, as a heads up, you generally don't want to talk about your own stream. I'm a little more lenient than other people, but when you talk about your own stream, you might get banned other places for that, just because some people don't allow it, just as a heads up to you. Holy cow! Look at those! Boom!
Holy cow, and I just want to say,
No, you're good, Andrew. You're good. I just wanted to let you know so you don't get in trouble other places for it. Dude, take that. Just look at it. That's an awesome emote, Zach. These are ribeyes.
get it away. How dare you? First of all, I have questions. First of all, how dare you?
Number one. Another 2-3 minutes on that side, and then we'll turn the heat down and put on some of the butter. Need to get going to bed. Food looks good. Kyle, love you. And Funky, love you, Rexes. Steak for second breakfast. Yes, please. Yeah, ribeyes. And then baked potatoes and corn on the cob. And we have our butter sauce to go with it. So I made this herby butter sauce with like chives and cayenne. It's called a cowboy sauce. We have bacon and sautéed onions, and then queso and sour cream for the potatoes. Our corn is a beautiful bright yellow. Love you, Rexes. Thank you for all you do. Boom. Let's turn that heat down. plop a little bit of this butter on it. Thank you. Did you like your steak as rare as I made it last time?
Yeah, hell yeah, dude.
I'm gonna do theirs a little extra than ours because I know that they don't really like pink that much. I want them to try it though.
Oh, no, they're going to try it. Cook them easy. They'll deal with it.
Andrew, right now my stream time is kind of up in the air, but this week I'm gonna be streaming Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 5 p.m. I'm off tomorrow because tomorrow night we're gonna take the kids mini golfing because chat helped us to raise that goal. And then Monday, Funky's off, so we're having a family day. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'll stream around 5. I don't have the menu set for each individual day yet. It's going to be kind of depending on what the kids want to have. I have some ideas. And then Friday is the last full day that they're here, and Funky's off, so one more family day. We take them back Saturday, and then I'll stream again on Sunday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 5 p.m., and then Sunday will probably be a brunch. Dude.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Stupid monkey on me.
Huh?
What does it?
I don't know.
What?
What'd you call it?
Stupid monkey?
There's a monkey? There's a monkey skin?
No.
Oh, I'm buying it. Also,
Andrew,
we gotta get smarter than a fifth grader.
Are you in the Discord? Oh, I do have to get that.
I am not smarter than a fifth grader.
Yes, you are.
You literally just, what?
Funky found a game called Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader that we could do trivia questions. I thought that'd be super fun for us to do for stream.
I think it'd be fun.
Also, a couple more people bought Tower Unite. Miss Panda game Panda game.
I'm gonna need you to English. Oh, heck yeah. Those are probably done. Or just about done.
I know. That's too late.
Turn off the computer light.
Yes.
Okay, by the time we get back.
I do have two pets. I have two cats. I have an orange tabby cat. His name is Cat Cat. He's 9. And then I have a tuxedo cat who is 7 months old. Her name is Bacardi. They are both emotes. Walking tacos for Taco Tuesday using Kyle-friendly chips. Maybe. I don't know if the kids would like that. We'll have to ask. I do like to rest my steak before I cut it. Yes. Looks.
Go, babe.
Some of the things I was thinking of doing. Oh, by the way, Cherry and Mitty helped to raise the funds for Wing Night.
Oh, heck yeah.
So we're gonna order wings.
If we could find them.
Well, we'll see if we can get some.
I would love a wing night. Oh, tomorrow night, wing night. What?
So
We'll have a snack before we go. Mini golfing. And then we'll make wings when we get back. That's what I think.
Yo, Scorchmark, how you doing? Digit, what are we Jesusing?
Jesus.
Ribeyes are my favorite. I agree. So yeah, wing night, and then I thought one night we could do pizza and make it with the thick cut pepperoni. And then we haven't done the pork chops. Figured we could do pork chops and mashed potatoes and maybe some green beans and carrots. Layton said she eats green beans and carrots, so we can do your carrots.
My carrots are good.
Red Bull
yeah.
gives you wings? True. Fork
It's
and knife,
with
I'm
3 eyes, by the way.
barehanded.
Do you know why they changed it?
Huh?
To Red Bull, instead of wings, like W-I-N-G-S, they made it W-I-I-I-N-G-S.
Why?
Because someone sued Red Bull thinking that, hey, I drank this and I don't actually have wings.
Oh my
So
god.
the spelling has to be different for it to not pass into a literal term.
Digit says I'm gonna barehand this like a Neanderthal. Oh no.
Dude, same.
Does our area have any pizza restaurants? Not any good ones. No. We like to make homemade pizza though. We make really good homemade pizza.
You want good pizza? Go to Rosati's.
Yeah.
It's the only good pizza you're gonna get down here.
It's Chicago pizza in Orlando.
Is this trash too?
Yes. What about about you, Andrew? Do you have good pizza near you? Jay says, hi, Funky.
Hi, Jay. What's up, buddy?
Irish
What's
Dern
that?
is here.